Can't even describe to you how hot this is. Oh geez, about 4 feet away and the heat's just soaking through me. It's got a standard barbecue pit, 3 feet across. There's a forge inside there. I'm attempting, oh my god, the heat. I'm trying to carburize the steel. I got a propane torch coming in through this end. Inside I've got the steel parts I'm attempting to case harden. No, it's too hot. And they're inside of a paint bucket filled with charcoal. Oh, everything in there is just glowing red. You can see here the outside of the steel container is just roasting. So I've basically been doing this for about 6 hours so far, a few more hours to go, and the charcoal absorbs into the mild steel, case hardens it. Then what you do is pull it out, let it cool down. Then tomorrow, heat it up once again to about 1450 degrees. And then dunk it in some water with a bit of salt. That's called quenching it. And then, yeah, pull it out, let it cool down to room temperature. And then throw it in the oven at about 450 degrees for about 10 minutes, 20 minutes. And that's called tempering. Wow, look at that. Who's ever seen a barbecue pit get that hot? That's crazy. You got the air running in from this side. Just using standard wood, and then I put the bucket in there, and then I got steel there and there on each side, so I made like a little triangle, and I put a little roof on it, and underneath that roof here in the middle is a paint bucket, steel, filled with carbon, and the part that I'm attempting to case harden.